how to Inpaint in Runway ML. So if you want to go ahead and modify your image in this tool, you can go and log into your account and then just go ahead to the tool feature in the left tab of course, the website. Then you're gonna have to choose the image option, of course. There's images here, but of course you're gonna use your own image. Go ahead and press on this button, and then you can drop your files, or you could just click it to open up your file manager, and there you could choose whichever image you want to modify. So once you choose your image, it's just gonna upload it directly here, and then you're gonna have to choose it as well once that is done. And then finally, you can just type in what kind of Inpaint you want to do to the image. So maybe you want to remove or replace or modify any specific part of the image. So you can do that now by just, of course, typing that in here. Once you press and generate, you will have a few other options later on. If you'd like, you can alter it even more on the results tab. But that is pretty much how you can use an Inpaint tool. Technically, Inpainting is using a specific brush. In our case, we're just using AI. But again, you can just alter this in whichever way you want by downloading the results and just making another prompt for that. So this is one of the only ways you can use technically that kind of tool in your Runway ML. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.